When we talk about planetary defense, a lot of people think about aliens with ray guns. I'm Bob the Science Guy, and let me tell you how the space program helps us with planetary defense. A major aspect of planetary defense is trying to figure out when something's coming to wreck our day. Specifically like this. This is a 20-meter asteroid in Russia in 2013. Currently, most asteroids are tracked using ground-based telescopes. This is my image of 3i Atlas taken last July with my backyard telescope. Data from astronomers like myself is used to determine the orbit of these asteroids and comets, in this case 3i Atlas. But as you can see, there's a little bit of a problem. We can only detect things that are away from the sun from us on the night side of the sky because during the daytime, the sky is too bright to be able to see asteroids from Earth. And as a result, we use satellites to help with planetary defense by detection of what's called near-Earth objects. One such project is going to be the launch of the NEO Surveyor, which is going to sit out here at L1, a million miles from Earth, and be able to see more of the asteroids approaching us. Well, while detection is fine and dandy, what are we going to do if we find something coming at us? Well, we're going to try and use the space program to knock it out of our way. The DART program was launched from Earth and designed specifically to hit a small asteroid at high kinetic energy to try and knock it out of its orbit, and it was successful. So if we find that there's something coming our way, we're working on ways to kind of make it go someplace else. Another use of the space program is monitoring the sun. There are a number of satellites that monitor the sun specifically, looking for coronal mass ejections and solar flares, which can interfere with telecommunications on Earth and cause aurora. NASA and other space agencies are heavily invested in detecting asteroids and monitoring space weather, both from the ground and from space. And more importantly, we're developing the ability to actually protect the Earth from incoming asteroids. So this is Bob the Science Guy. Thank you very much for joining me. I'll see you again tomorrow.